Yosh, have you heard of the strawberry spider before?
No?
It's red. Variation of the button spider.
So is it deadly?
Yeah, very deadly. And usually it comes forth in strawberry fields.
What? Yo, I got scared. Ingredients. So we have bran, we have water, we have strawberries, we have ice cream, and then we have a mixer. Yeah. And then we have a spoon, and then we need an ice cream machine of spoon, a measuring spoon, yeah. In any case, so we better get started.
Hey, making smoothies is easy, man. There's only like 3 steps. Step 1, you put the stuff in the blender. And in step 2, you blend it. And step 3, you enjoy. It's that easy. Okay. Alright, step 1, put it in.
Wait. It's a bit complicated for me, I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, yeah, we'll break it down for you. Okay, so step 1, de-leaf the strawberries. And step 2, rinse the strawberries. Yeah.
Okay. I thought that was one step.
No, there are 2 steps.
Oh, man, we got the intro wrong. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna get a big leaf pile over here. Hey, this one doesn't have any leaf. I wonder if somebody plucked it just now before taking the video by accident.
Shh, we won't tell them.
Wait. We can do how many strawberries?
That's
quite
yes.
important.
Yes, yeah, so you have to work with between 15 and 20 strawberries.
Yeah. 15,
so, yeah, de-leaf
20.
and,
okay.
And rinse, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So 15. Let's just do 50. Saving strawberries.
Yes.
It's only gonna be 10% strawberry. The rest. Wait, now let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9. Okay, focus. 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, 15.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright, okay.
Okay, next step. Okay, so step 3, put the strawberries in. Whoa, wait. Without the water, yeah. Okay. Just the strawberries.
Should I try it?
No, you can just put them in.
It's okay. It's gonna be one long process. Watch time, people. Watch time. Oh, I'm almost done. Alright, I'm done. Oh yeah, we had a test run before, so...
Okay, so step 4 is put milk in about till the 300 milliliter mark.
You didn't say nothing about putting milk in, man.
Yeah!
Just go grab some from the fridge if you don't have.
Alright.
Poor excuse.
Thank you.
Better planning next time.
Yeah.
Goodness.
You forgot to mention it before in the video. 300 millimeters, right? 300 millimeters.
Yeah, well, it kind of works out to 150 because the strawberries are in the way, so...
Yeah, probably. Alright.
Okay, so step 5 is add 5 to 6 or 7 scoops of bran. And if you'd like it thicker, you can. You can check how thin it is afterwards. Okay. If it's too thin, you can just add more bran.
We want this to be thick.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's 1, 2. Better keep counting, otherwise I might put 10 inside. Yeah. What number am I on again?
You're on 2. 3.
So that's 2.
That's 3. That's
okay.
3.
Okay. 3, 4. 5. Alright.
Okay, so step 6 is add 4 scoops of ice cream.
Where?
Into the blender.
I could add it in my mouth. Okay, so that's 1. I mean, 4 isn't too bad. But these ones are going to be big.
So maybe only 3.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, this
The
is
ice cream
really
scoop is being very efficient.
Okay, yeah, let's just say 3.
That could probably amount to 5. Okay, here we go. Alright, step 7. Blend. Wait. Don't forget the lid.
Alright,
Get the lid,
yeah.
yeah. There you go. Okay. Some screw it on nicely. Yeah.
Tight.
And
I don't want
then,
it to be messing around.
yeah, and keep your hand over it and blend away. Okay, so step 8 is pour and enjoy.
Ooh, yeah.
Yum.
Remember, guys, to subscribe and smash the like button.